Black holes you can trust, baby.
Is this mic on? We ready? Come, y'all, get your together.
Shut your face, boy, and start.
Listen up, people. It's about to get real in here, realer than the government can handle. My name is Jeremiah Jenkins, but y'all fools call me JJ, and this is Shanique reporting from Ferguson.
Hey, player.
Shanique's on the scene of Ferguson reporting on recent developments. Shanique, what you got?
Well, the DOJ just announced that they might be shutting down the Ferguson Police Department.
That's my man Eric Holder. He and my dog Obama know how to take care of business.
With the dismantling of the Ferguson Police Department, some fear there could be chaos in the streets.
What? Violence in the streets and looting the stores? Well, it's my birthday coming up, so make sure you get me something nice.
Okay, baby, you know I got you.
Playing? I was playing, Shanique. Don't do that.
Don't trip, chocolate chip.
Speaking of looting, once again, a group of 63-year-old white men, probably named Oscar, had one of their boys, Neil Patrick Harris, on stage in his panties, disrespecting my brothers and sisters with one-liners like,
"Tonight we honor Hollywood's best and brightest."
They chose to give an Oscar to a movie about a white man beating his ego over a black man beating a white man's system in Alabama. Well, I say, what's up with that? So to all my brothers and sisters in Hollywood, in the spirit of Selma, I say we boycott Oscar and have our own show called The JJs. In the JJs, only true silver screen talent will get awarded. Not this crazy ass white man, for sure. Not these crazy ass white men. What's up with white dudes acting crazy in their draws anyway? Not even this crazy ass. And especially not this psycho. But I will say there is something sexy about a crazy white girl. Damn! What's up with Oscar only choosing crazy ass white people? Well, don't worry, my brothers and sisters in Hollywood at the JJs. There will only be one vote, and that vote will be by caste. A crazy ass black man, my man Kanye, because we all know he fair and balanced. Speaking of Kanye, this week's Shame on You segment is all about Kanye West. Kanye, what's up with that new clothing line? $880 for a sweater? That boy looked like his name got called for the Hunger Games. Check out this boy, $1,650 to look like a human dookie. Come on, Kanye, give a brother some self-respect. And this little brother right here wearing something for $430 that my boy Andre wears in San Quentin for free. The only one that can afford your clothes are crazy-ass white people in they drawers. That's just sad, Kanye. Shame on you. Just shame on you. What's happening? Ugh. Well, my people, the government is shutting us down, so we signing off for now. From the black hole, I'm Jeremiah Jenkins. Fade to black.
Black holes you can trust, baby.